Without self-confidence, even the brightest mind becomes like a lamp without a flame, present but unable to shine. Millions of people lose opportunities not because they lack talent, but because they never gather the courage to speak, to try, or to believe in themselves. Stay with us till the end, because this story might become the turning point of your life too. In the heart of a busy market city lived a hard-working tailor named Raman. He worked endlessly, stitching clothes from sunrise to midnight to support his small family, his wife and 2 sons. His younger son, Karan, was lively, charming, and smooth with his words. He could convince anyone, anywhere. But his elder son, Ravi, was the exact opposite. Quiet, painfully shy, afraid to speak, even when he wanted to. People misunderstood him, customers overlooked him, children mocked him, and sadly, even his own father felt frustrated with him. Ravi, Raman would say, "What will you do in life if you can't even speak confidently?" Each harsh word broke a small piece of Ravi's self-belief. Each insult pushed him deeper into silence. By the time he reached college, fear had taken full control of his life. He knew the answers in exams, but his hands shook too much to write. He avoided people. He avoided conversations. Eventually, he avoided life itself. After failing an important exam, he quietly left college and started helping his father at the tailoring shop. But his fear didn't leave him. If a customer asked something, he stammered. If they asked the price, he forgot. If they questioned him, he froze. Raman's anger kept growing. One afternoon while Raman was away, a smooth-talking man entered the shop. "Your father told me to collect the wedding order. 30 stitched suits," he said. "Quickly, we're getting late." Ravi's heart pounded. He wanted to ask questions, but fear tightened his throat. He handed over the clothes. The man vanished. When Raman returned and saw the empty shelves, he exploded. "You useless boy, do you even think? You've destroyed everything. Get out. Don't call yourself my son." Those words shattered him. With tears flooding his eyes, Ravi walked out. He didn't know where he was going. His feet carried him to the old bridge near the river, the place where people sat when life felt unbearably heavy. He stood there, staring at the water. "Maybe everyone will be happier without me," he whispered. Just then, a gentle voice interrupted. "Child, what are you doing?" It was an old tea seller under the bridge. He had seen Ravi many times, always silent, always alone. Ravi broke down completely. He told the old man everything: his failures, his father's anger, his own shame, and how hopeless he felt. The old man listened quietly. Then he said, "Come with me for 3 days. Do exactly as I say. If nothing changes, you can return here." There was something warm, trustworthy in his voice. Ravi nodded. The old man gave him a simple task. "Today you will drink your tea and eat your biscuit with strangers, not alone." Ravi froze. Speaking was hard, but sitting with strangers felt impossible. Still, he tried. The first group ignored him. The second laughed. But at the third table, an elderly man smiled. "Come, beta, sit." For the first time in years, Ravi spoke a full sentence, without stammering. That night, he returned home feeling a spark he hadn't felt in a long time. The next day, the old man took him to a community hall where children played. "Today, you will tell them a short story from your childhood." Ravi's legs trembled. His voice shook, but he began, and something unexpected happened. The children listened. They laughed. They clapped. Ravi felt something he hadn't felt in years. He felt heard. "Today," the old man said, "you will return home, not to apologize, but to say your truth." Fear twisted inside him, but he went. Standing before his father, he said softly yet firmly, "I made mistakes because I was scared, not because I'm useless. Give me one chance. I will prove myself." For the first time, Ravi saw something shift in his father's eyes. Not anger, not disappointment, but realization. Raman pulled him close and hugged him tightly. "Forgive me, Beta. I didn't understand how deeply I hurt you. From today, we will rebuild this business together." Ravi rushed back to the old man. "Tell me the secret of confidence." The old man smiled. "You already discovered it. Confidence isn't the absence of fear. It is choosing to act, even when your voice trembles. People respect those who respect themselves." Ravi bowed in gratitude. Years passed. Ravi, the boy who once froze while speaking, became the most trusted tailor in the market. His patience, honesty, and newfound confidence made him a favorite among customers. And one day, he opened his own shop with a signboard that read, "Ravi's Fine Stitch. Confidence sewn with care." The same boy once called useless became an example of courage for many. Self-confidence is not something others give you. It is something you build slowly, one small step at a time. Shyness is not weakness. Fear is not your enemy, but giving up is. If this story touched your heart, share it with someone who needs confidence today. And if you're still listening, remember, your story isn't over yet. A single step of courage can transform everything. I'll see you in the next story. Till then, stay patient, stay grateful, and keep moving forward.